got an iPhone 12 Pro Max with the front camera not working issues. The customer tells us that the automatic front camera stopped working and showed a blank screen. Here you can see the back camera working normally. While switching to the front camera, blue circle and black screen shows. After switching to the back, no any issues. Sometimes rare software glitches may cause such issues. Once force restart and try. After doing this, the problem is still the same. This means hardware related issues. Let's disassemble the LCD first. Do it carefully. If you have repair knowledge, then do this. Do care. Some small mistake on disassemble may damage LCD and also be costly too. Disconnect all flags. Don't touch this area while the battery is connected. This may damage the dot projector. This will kill Face ID. This is a front camera module and has a dot projector and higher camera module. This is sensitive. Front camera and dot projector are too near and packed in one place. So, I have to replace the front camera from donor iPhone 12 Pro Max. We can't change all this because this has an important role in Face ID function. If you don't need Face ID, then only replace it. If you need Face ID, then you have to do this process. How do I separate the front camera and see this video carefully? Better cut this metal frame and remove the camera module. How I do this? See this video carefully. I am here separate only the front camera. The front camera module is not encrypted, so no any message shows on the setting. So, I replaced the working front camera from the donor iPhone. Put the camera in the correct position and tight it. If loose, then image is shaking. If you have any query, then don't forget to comment below. We will respond your comment as fast as possible. After doing all, the front camera is working fine, means the problem was fixed. If that stuff is helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support us. It's me Akash. Peace out.